Deep in the Ocean, written by Natalie Rampella. Focus question: how you describe the deep ocean and what lives there? Deep underwater. Imagine a trip to the deepest part of the ocean. What would you expect to see? Would it be dark or light? Would it be warm or cold? Will you find strange new animals and plants? Sunlight warms the surface or shallow parts of the ocean. Plants and animals that need sunlight and water live there. Deep in the ocean. Other animals live in water that is cold and dark. Diving deep in the ocean. The deep ocean is freezing cold. The weight or water pressure of very deep water can harm you. Sport divers wear air tanks for safety. Deep divers wear a special diving suit. Scientists riding a small submarine called a submersible. Oceanographers. Scientists who study the ocean are called oceanographers. They often live for months on a ship. Some study what a sea animal eats and where it lives. Using satellites for tracking. Satellites can help to track sea animals' travels. Scientists tag some animals. A satellite can track the signal from the tag. The signal shows where the animal goes. Counting the sea animals. What animals live in the ocean? Where do they live? How many are there? Oceanographers. Oceanographers study and count animals for 10 years to find out. The surprising report is called the Census of Marine Life. The Census of Marine Life. The first surprise was where things lived. Everywhere, marine species live in hosts and cold places. Some species live in deep places without light or oxygen, living in hot and cold water. The very cold deep ocean zone has hot volcanoes in it. The water temperature at a volcano can be 400 grades. Some species of shrimp, crab, worms, and bacteria live in this hot water. Huge groups of Arctic sea life were also found living in freezing water. Some species of squid, cod, and jellyfish live under solid ice that is 700 meters. What did we learn? The marine census count over 230,000 species. Over 600 new species had never been seen before. Some creatures were see-through. Some had warning lights that turned on and off. Others had long feelers instead of eyes. What else lives in the deep ocean? Scientists keep finding new species and new facts. They think that only 4 of all of marine has been counted. So there are many more surprises to come. Glossary. Marine. Of or relating the sea. Oceanographers. Scientists who study the ocean and everything in it. Species. Groups of living things that are physically similar and can reproduce. Submersible. A small vessel that can operate underwater, especially at deep levels. Tag. To put a label on an object to tell something about the object, such as who owns it or where it belongs. Water pressure. The force that water puts on an object. Deep in the ocean. Connections. Writing. Will you want to be an oceanographer when you grow up? Why or why not? Write a paragraph using details from the text to support your answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.